There are a lot of things in life that come naturally to us. Something that we do every day that doesn't even cross our minds anymore just because of how normal it is. Such as watching videos, listening to music, typing on a keyboard, or just scrolling through our phones. But what if I tell you that you can make money by doing those random things just for a couple of minutes every day? Sounds cool, right? No matter where you are in the world, this method I'm going to show you will make you thousands and thousands of dollars every day if you set it up right and follow the steps. No experience is needed and you don't need a high MPC for this. So make sure you watch until the end of the video so you don't miss on any of the tips and bonuses. This is a website that offers 3 simple steps to earn money, and I'm here to show you what it's all about. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on this channel. So let's make some money. Today's website is called uniworkscommunity.com. To access the website, you will need to go to google.com and type. I put the links in the description box below the video, so you don't need to go on the internet to look for the website. Feel free to click on the links below. So click the first link that you will see. It will then bring you to this page. Here you see that you can earn money by doing simple tasks, and the best part is that just by signing up, you are already making money. This app is also available on both App Store and Google Play Store. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and after that, you can already get some bonus of $2. And of course, it's completely free. You do not need to pay anything to join the website. Next, you can take surveys from the invites that they will send to your email. The surveys are quick and easy, plus they don't require a lot of time to answer. Then, after those websites, you will start earning rewards that you can cash out for money. And they have various pay methods, such as PayPal, Visa, Amazon gift cards. So let's get started with the video. Go ahead and click on the button where it says Join. You will see a page that looks like this. Go ahead and fill in your basic information. You may also sign up directly with your Google account or your Facebook account. Your first name, last name, gender, email address, password, confirm your password. They ask for your birthday information, your location. After you've put everything, click this box and agree to the terms and conditions, and then sign me up. As you can see, it doesn't take more than 5 minutes to join the website, and you can make a lot of money right away. You can do this from anywhere around the world, whether you are using your phone or laptop. So after signing up, you will have your dashboard that looks like this. So now, here you will see some of the offers that the website has provided for you to earn money. You can take a survey, and you can also refer a friend and earn money. Just go ahead to your homepage for a better view of the offers. But before we proceed, let's first check the pages that the website has provided where you can navigate. So click here and it will bring you to this page. You will see here all the discussions on the website where you can gather more information. As you can see, there is a lot of discussions that you can choose from with multiple replies. There is also a section for blogs. So in here, you can read their privacy statement and learn more about everything. You can also contact them and ask them any questions. Click here. As you can see, they have provided a page for you to simply put your name, your phone number, email address, and your query. Then you can go ahead and click send. So you can take as many surveys as you want. The more the better for you to earn more money online. If you don't have a PayPal account, there is a link I put in the description below. So go ahead, sign up for a PayPal account. It is completely free. So guys, go ahead, sign up and start making money online. So if you gained any value from the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.